Welcome! In this tutorial, we are going to show you how easy it is to submit a Redshift render job using Maya. Let's start with our render settings. Then go to the RebusFarm menu and click on Render Setup. Press the Render Now button. A warning about activating animation will appear. We are going to solve that by activating animation in the render settings. Now we are able to upload. After the upload is finished, we are going to hit the play button so the render starts. We will be able to find the images in the folder we set up in Maya. In Photoshop, we are able to see all the passes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section. Here are also some other videos that might interest you. To keep up to date with our channel, don't forget to subscribe.